Like, huh? What? Hold on. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video on the channel. Let me explain real quick. Drift events, car shows, car meets, back to my cars. It's a bit back and forth. I have to take the content where I can get it. I hope you guys are enjoying it. But in today's video, I'm gonna attempt to tear down a VQ motor. It's a Rev-Up series, just like the one I have in my G35. Bought it off a buddy, real cheap. And we're gonna tear it down to get it rebuilt. A rod was sent through the oil pan, thankfully not the block. So we're gonna tear it down, inspect it, see if the block's any good. And what I really needed was the heads on this. But we're going ahead and tear it down. We have another DE, which is just a regular DE in the back of the shop. And I'm gonna tear that one down also. Why am I doing this? You guys will find out in the future. Like I said in one of the videos back, things are changing for the G35. I have more time on my hands and I'm gonna pick up another hobby. So yeah, let's go in here, get set up, tear this motor apart. I'm gonna bag and tag everything because I don't know when it's gonna be done and put back together. So just trying to get it worked out. All right, so let's get up in here in the shop. All right, so I got the intake off. I was gonna wait, but I'm gonna pull all these hoses and harness and everything because it's starting to get in the way. Got the coolant pipe off and cam phasers, whatever they call them. Took the first heat shield off and decided to put the bolts back in to the headers, but they weren't having it. They kind of, I don't know, cross-cut it, but that's fine. Not really gonna need them anyway because the route this is going, it's gonna be run with aftermarket headers anyway. So I don't know how many you've done this before, but once you take the heat shield off of these exhaust manifolds, I don't think they're meant to go back in because coming out, like the last quarter inch of the bolt just crossed through it, and that was on all four. So I don't think they were meant to go back in. Alternator, all that cool stuff. Now all these pins, got to get the front cover off, take the timing mechanisms off, then take the back cover, then we can go with the heads. I think I'm gonna stop there. All right, so I was fighting to get this off and forgot there was bolts in the bottom from the oil pan, so I gotta take the whole oil pan off and then hopefully I can get this shit knocked out. So I'm gonna jump to that. go.
Are you sure?
Hey, don't question my strength, man.
I had to, cause
Hey!
so they forgot to put it on.
Hey yo, what the fuck? Hell no!
How did this shit? Oh, good lord!
Yeah, it's tough.
The piston?
Wow. Oh yeah, there's two.
Yeah. So, all right, y'all. This is why I got this Joker for a bill.
There's even a valve missing.
There's a valve missing?
Yep.
Where?
Hey.
Ay.
Spark plug is half there, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, they could fix it.
As long as these heads are fixable. What do you think about this block? It don't feel.
I'd have to measure it because it doesn't look bad, but.
Oh, feel that corner over there.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You might need a reblock.
Yeah.
Piston missing.
Again, I'd have to measure it and see if you can cut it any bigger.
I don't think so.
Oh, it's deep.
Oh yeah, look, that's some gouges, bro.
Yeah, you can see them on that side.
Yeah, that's done.
Jeez. Damn.
Unless you sleeve it.
All right, it's torn apart. The block ain't shit. Crank ain't shit. The heads, I gotta take them to the machine shop. They don't look like shit, but we're about to find out if they're good. So, as you can see, you learn something every day. I got these two here in the background. Just, hey. What he just said, I don't want to translate that shit. But, hey, appreciate y'all watching. It's done. Only took me, what, 4 hours? Came here at 2. What time is it now? 5?
Yeah, 5.
Oh, 3 hours. Rip it apart. Thanks to them helping me out. So, hey, I gotta get all the shit packed up and get this mesh cleaned up. And that's it. So, appreciate y'all watching and catch y'all in the next video.